this tutorial, we will continue with the Surfaces toolbar in Wireframe and Surface Design Workbench. Let's see how we can use a sweep tool. To do the sweep tool, the minimum requirement is that you need to have a profile and a guide curve. So go for the sweep and select the profile and the guide curve. Click on preview. So this profile follows the guide curve here. So now let's see how we can work on two guide curves. Let's delete this and create another guide curve here, and this point should coincide. Come out of the sketch and again create another sketch on the XY plane, and this time you might be almost having an idea about how the outcome is going to come. So let's delete this point, and this point needs to coincide this time. Now exit the sketch. This time go for the sweep and go for with two guide curves. Select the profile and select the guide curve. If you get an error while you select, just select this as the profile and select guide curve 1, guide curve 2. Just swap with the guide curve selection and you will be able to override with the error that you get. That's about the option with two guide curves. Now let's see how we can work with three guide curves. So for that, let me hide this first sketch and delete this. In this case, I'll sketch this again. Put a sketch here. Exit. Let me coincide this. Now let me try let's try that. So go for a sweep and go for three guide curves. So three guide curves, yeah, three guides. Just select three guide curves and click on preview. And what happens in this case is a surface is created where the surface passes through three guide curves that we have shown. Even this tool is very helpful when you work with the surfaces. So let's see how to use the fill command. So fill command is pretty useful. So for example, we have a closed object, closed sketch. So for that, if you need surface to fill the closed sketch, just select the fill command, select the sketch and click on OK. So this, you could also use this while you're using center curve. Just a second. For example, if you use this as a center curve and delete this, let's create simply a curve. Just go for the sweep command, that center radius, just go for center curve and go for the radius as 20 mm. So that creates a sweep here. So this is another option, the sweep command. So I'm showing you this so that I can explain you the fill command. Just go for the fill and select this boundary here. Click on OK. So that fills that particular opening, hollow portion. So that's about the fill command. Now let's see how you can use the blend. So to use the blend, we need to have two sketches. So let's create two sketches to explain the blend. Firstly, let's create a curve, and secondly, let's create a line. Come out of the sketch. Just make sure that these two profiles are coming in different sketch. I'll go for the blend, select the two sketches, click on preview. So this leads to a cusp. Why? Because you need to invert the direction. So okay, I'm trying a different option here. We should go for blend. Blend is what I wanted to show you. If you click on the preview, you can see the blend happens here. Multi-section is a different option. Let's see how we can use the multi-section. Click on the sketch. Just go for the sketch. And this time, create a profile here. And create another profile at an offset. And give a sketch on that. Let's create a four-sided figure. Slightly different with this. Let's go for a multi-section surface and select the two profiles here. Go for the coupling. If you have gone through my tutorials for the part design workbench, you would have come across the multi-section solid option. It's somewhat similar to that. The only difference is that the output will come in the surface model. So if you click on OK, you can see that the multi-section has created with the coupling option. So that's about the surfaces toolbar. Let's see the different other options coming in our tutorial. Stay tuned.